Ona thengia wa thirikari gukorwo ikihinyiriria AKENYA kuingira mubango-ini wa marihi ma urigitani rungu rwa NHIF kuria mitaratara ikoretwo ikiarirwo ya kugacirithia mubango uyu, AKENYA ingi matigitwo magithinika kumana na ngarama ya urigiti, no na aria maruta kigina giki kia NHIF ti urigiti wa mirimu yothe irugamagirirwo. No hihi ni kuga ruhonge ruru rwa NHIF ni kigina rutari kingirugamirira urigiti wa AKENYA. Kwa ihinda iraya ruhonge ruru rukoretwo rukimurikwo kumana na ngukumio cia mamirioni ma mbeca, undu uria uhotometie motungata na AKENYA kwaga umithio wa mbeca ciao. No na thengia wa maya mothe, ndeto ciegie uramati wa kigina kia NHIF ithiete na mbere na kwiyumiria. Umuthi nikumbukire ruhonge ruru rukoretwo rukiheana ngombo iri na marihi ma njoherera kuri mathibitari handu ha kigina giki gikorwo gigitungatira AKENYA na urigitani. Ndeto ino yumbukire riria maabitha matiganite kuma wabici-ini nene cia NHIF megwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi ugima wa mwiri. Murugamiriri wa mitaratara no thurimi wa NHIF Rogers Miranyi ni amenyithirie kamiti ino NHIF ni yakombeire thibitari munene wa Moi Teaching and Referral wa Eldoret ciringi mirioni 362 iri hamwe na marihi ma njoherera, no ngombo ino yari korwo iri ya ciringi birioni 2 iria ciari igayanio gatagati ka MTRH na thibitari munene wa Kenyatta uriatoire ngombo ino.
Were there signed agreements?
The agreement is what we are saying now here. The contract is not signed. So we'll
So how do you disperse money without a signed contract? Yeah. They engage MMA to draft for them an agreement instead of engaging the Attorney General, and you even have a legal officer in your office.
No na thengia wa NHIF kurekereria mbeca ici kuri MTRH tariki 30 mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 2017, hatiri maratathi ma NGIRIMITI mekiranirwo thairi, ona gutuika kwari na ciringi mirioni 27.9 NHIF yarihite mawakiri na ingi ciringi mirioni 40.8 yarihite irugamirire hari guthondeka kandarathi. Kiuria kinene ari gitumi gia kuriha mawakiri na NHIF kuri na wakiri.
The 40.8.
Yes.
This was for the reviewing the memorandum of understanding between NHIF, MTRH, and International Atomic Energy Agency.
Kamiti ino ni yathire Francis Kamwanza gugekinyia mbere yao na akaunti cia bengi iria ciatumirwo mbeca ici, na oho kandarathi iria maugite ni yathondekirwo no gutire thairi yekirirwo. Na ciegie imwe cia thibitari cia andu kiumbe iria ikoretwo ikiandikithia irore cia muingi mitambo-ini ya NHIF, undu uria wonekanite gukorwo cangiire na njira nene gutabania ungumania. Kamiti ino yugite uyu ni mwanya ubatie guthingwo na NHIF makorwo makirutira wira wao.
But the biggest challenge is that the biggest network of government facilities in level 2 and 3, they are lacking the digital infrastructure.
Na kuona ruhonge ruru no rwikorete haceke kumana na kwambatiria ngathi maabitha 11 mugaru na watho na mitaratara mwaka-ini wa 2020, murugamiriri wa mibango na mirutire ya wira NHIF Joseph Tanui urio nake ni umwe wa aria mambatiririo ngathi augete gutiri uthurimi wahanikire ta uria kwerikanaga, indi ni maritwa maheanirwo na makihitukio.
Decided that they wanted to have staff who actually would be suitable to carry out the exercise together with the ad hoc committee of restructuring. So names actually of the officers responsible were floated before the board. And actually, I am aware that the board discussed these names and approved.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.